All right.
All right, we good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to try putting a little bit of this potassium iodine solution on here to see if we get a reaction. So we boiled the leaf, it's nice and pale now, and it's dry enough that we can put some of this on, so let's see what happens. So we put this brown solution on, let's see if it turns dark or not. And it looks like it's not really soaking in too well. And it may take a bit to actually react. Just kind of mush it around in this juice down here and see how dark it actually gets. Does look like there's you know, some reaction going on there, so most likely some starch was being produced. I'm not going to do the whole leaf, just kind of look at this portion here that's in the potassium iodine solution. And let's kind of push this down into it a little bit. Okay. Trying to saturate as much of the leaf as I can here to get the whole thing kind of covered. You put a little bit more on the back side. It's almost like a little bit of a waxy coating on the leaf, so it sort of repels it and it doesn't soak in as quickly as it would with the paper. So you just kind of have to really soak it and see what happens. Okay. So it looks like there are definitely some darker areas in here for sure. Looks like this was a pretty healthy leaf that was undergoing photosynthesis. So you have some nice dark areas, maybe some areas that were a little bit lighter. If we do find lighter areas, what does that mean? It may mean that, you know, it was shaded. Maybe that's why it wasn't undergoing photosynthesis. You know, it could be that, you know, the plant was kept in the dark. That could prevent it from undergoing photosynthesis and reacting. But like I said, it looks like this is a fairly healthy leaf. It does look like it's reacting with the iodine solution and turning brown. So this looks like, for the most part, it was all in the sun and undergoing photosynthesis. Okay. Sometimes leaves are variegated. Sometimes they have different color patterns on them. And, you know, some, actually, a couple semesters ago, we had some strange phenomenon happening in class that produced a bunch of really strange features that we found in the leaves. We have signs that indicate radioactivity. We have symbols that look like alien heads. Peace signs. Interesting. Smiley faces. And looks like it could be a Batman symbol there. So either, wow, heart, okay. Either we were visited by aliens and, you know, they sort of made these imprints on the leaves, or something else must have happened. Let's look at the alien head here for a minute. What must have happened in the lighter area here? Did it undergo photosynthesis? Looks like it probably didn't, right? Over here, it's darker, and where the eyes are, it's darker. Try to come up with an explanation for how this would have happened based on what you know and based on this experiment that we just did.